How to wear a mask correctly. Introducing the Medicom Safe Mask. Removing a mask from the box. Step 1. With clean hands, remove a mask from the box. Hold the mask by the ear loop fasteners. Ensure that the mask is worn with the color side facing out. Step 2. Secure and mold the nose piece over the bridge of your nose. From the bottom, pull the mask down, extending it over your mouth. Step 3. Pull the ear loops tightly around each ear. If you followed these instructions, the mask should fit securely over the nose and mouth for customized protection. It's important to note that your mask should be changed after every patient and whenever it gets wet. Do not twist the ear loops. This will compromise the efficacy of the mask. For maximum efficacy, do not lower the mask under your chin. The Medicom Safe Mask. A mask for every task. For more information, visit the Medicom blog at medicom.com.